Please be advised of the disclaimers. Hey, welcome back everyone. I know it's been about a couple weeks since I made a video. If you're in the chat room, you know I've been working on the course very hard, so that's been going on. So I want to do a day trade recap on UGAZ that we had today. So let's jump into it, but make sure to hit that subscribe button first if you're new to the channel and the bell button next to it. Alright, let's jump into it. So UGAZ, before we get into the chart, let's look at the alert. So this was a day trade. So today is December 2nd, 2019. We're heading into night here, but in the morning we had a nice day trade. This was pre-market, so we made profits before markets even open. So this is Eastern time. Markets open Eastern time at 9:30 a.m. and I added to the gamble swing, so I have a swing trade already set in. So for day traders, I alerted this as well. So the entry was at 9.06 at 8:20. So keep that in mind at 8:20. So let's zoom in on this one right here. So at 8:20, right about here on this candle, I alerted that trade. So about 9.06. So right on this candle right at here before it broke out, and it ran all the way up and we took profits. And I have the buy and sell alert is there as well. So let's look at how I found that trade. So being that we got in at 9.06, I alerted to take trades at 9.28, and then it ran up all the way to 9.4 area. So about 34 cents per share move already right there. So if you're trading about 1,000 shares, that's about 340 bucks profit before markets even open, and we had more winning trades come in when the markets open. So let's jump into it. 9.06 was entry, initial exit was 9.28, final was 9.4. So let's look at how I found that trade itself. So what did I see in the pre-market here? So on Friday, last week, we got a sell-off on UGAZ because of low volume. Markets will close Thursday. Hope you all had a great Thanksgiving holiday. But what happened was we got low volume, we had a sell-off, people didn't want to hold into the weekend. So this was Friday, got a sell-off. So I was looking for buyers to come in and shorts to cover, and I was looking at this resistance on this, 9 support on this one. So what happened whenever it broke that 9, as you can see right here, we saw that quick reversal. So I'm using the Bollinger Band setup. I'm going to cover this in my course step by step, how to set it up, how to use this, etc. But what happened, let's get rid of the trades for now. So we can see that buy arrow right here. And why did my script fire buy alert right there? And what did I see itself? So I saw that it broke 9, and anytime it was breaking 9 on that day as well, it gap filled. So anytime it broke 9, fill the gap. Anytime it broke the 9, even aftermarket, fill the gap right around this area. So what did I see there? Anytime it broke 9, it filled the gap. So I waited for the dip, and what happened? My script fire buy alert. But I don't buy just based on indicators. I buy based on what I see, and if I see a confirmation. So what happened? We hit that bottom line on the Bollinger Band, and what happened? I'm looking for a reversal and break over on this one for confirmation. So let's zoom out a little bit and let's zoom over this side. So 9:06 or 8:20 a.m. I alerted that entry at 9:06. So what happened? I was looking for a breakout on this one. As soon as we hit that, I fired that alert right about there. So what happened? It went up, came down a little bit, and then jumped up right there. So you could have got in on this anywhere between 9:06 to 9:10, 9:12. It moves and differently pre-market than it does in the market hours. So what happened? It jumped up from 9:06, made a nice move to 9.16. And what did I do there? I added more 9.11. Why did I do that? Because I saw break over, I saw this formation, bullish formation reversal, my script fire an alert, I saw Bollinger Band set up as well, and I saw the hold of 9 EMA. As soon as we get that nice run up, what happens? I just hold that, keep holding until we start to hit that top of that channel. We broke over 50 SMA, or the Weebop as you may call it, and we ran up all the way here, hit that top, and that's it. My script fire sell alert, I looked at it and I was looking for 9.35, 9.4 to exit. Perfect entry or exit right here at 9.4. So initial exit was 9.28. Why did I alert that one right there? Because we saw this breakout over, and I wanted to take profits anytime it broke over that Weebop area. So what happened? It broke over, hit that middle Bollinger Band, and broke over. So I alerted initial profits because it's pre-market. It's very important to take profits pre-market when you see them, when you get a little bit, don't get greedy in pre-market or after hours. What happened? Ran up. So I alerted initial profits right there because I know people don't want to risk too much in the pre-market because you could see a big drop or even a big spike up, whatever it is, too volatile in the pre-market because of low volume. And next alert, I was looking for it to hit the top of the band, so I took some profits, but I was on the swing trade, so I didn't get sell yet because I'm holding for 10, 11 later on. So what happened? We hit that upper band and I took profits. Look at that immediately. We see a big sell-off, big red candle right there. So that's why I look for the entries on the lower bands, look for initial profits at the middle band or VWAP area. When we break over, I ride it up with the stop loss or a trailing stop at the middle band. That's it. I take profits when we try to touch the upper band, and look at how perfectly it played out. So when we're looking at this like this, it's different because now we're looking at hindsight or we're looking back, so we know what's going to happen. But when you're looking at it like this, it's very difficult to play pre-market because it could have gone down very low, just like this. When it breaks that lower, it could have gone down even lower and kept going. But what happened? Kept going up. I know how this plays out. Traded every day almost. So ran up, took initial profits, took final profits, and that was quick, solid day trade, one of the easiest textbook plays in my book. So that one ran from 9.06 to 9.4, so 34-cent move on that one. And then I added to my swing as well, so I'll go over that. So look at my trades. So I added right here, initial right there, I added on this candle, broke over, and that's it, kept going up. And I didn't take profits on this because I wasn't day trading, but anybody else that was, I was looking out for them and make sure that they were able to take profits on this one for a day trade. The swing trade, I'm still holding on this one. So if you're in the chat room, you know what I'm doing in the swing trade. You can go over the commodities alerts and look at the charts, or you can also look at the chart analysis, or send me a message and see what's going on in the natural gas chat as well. So that's it on the swing trade. That's how I trade this pre-market and after hours. We got a nice write-up on this today. I added some more in the market as well, as you can see over here. So added pre-market 2 times, added a little bit more on this one. So holding about 300 shares right now in the swing, average around a little bit below 10. So I'm looking for about 11 to 12 around that area to get out. But let's see how this plays out. Looking for a solid reversal on this in the upcoming weeks into the end of December. Maybe even get 13 to 14 tops and take profit. So that's it on how I traded this. So look for that reversal, bottom bounce, look for initial profits on the mid, and final profits at the top of the Bollinger Band. So that's it. You can use VWAP, Bollinger Bands, whichever setup you like. They're very similar and they work out perfectly with this because many other traders follow these as well. So I hope this video helped you out. And if you want to join the chat room to get these live free trading alerts, the link will be in the description or on my YouTube page. You can join that right there, the free chat room button, or you can head over to the website, pinnacletrading.us. Scroll down to the bottom, click the join now button. Ignore the 1 week free trial, it's completely free, and click that join now button, and that's how you can get in the chat room. And this is how the chat room looks itself. We have the commodities section, gold, silver, natural gas that we trade a lot. Right over here I have separate gold, oil, etc. We have trade alerts for stocks and options, long term, and we have the general chat and more. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell button. Make sure to support Pinnacle Trading on our social media. Hope you all have a great rest of the week, and I'll see you in my next video.